Yay! Lloyd is too, and she's going to win every race there is this winter.
Round of applause.
What do you think, Manu?
That's the first I've seen.
I haven't been on board yet.
Have you not?
We christened it with a can of
So can you tell me a little bit about what I've just videoed there?
Well, I'll tell you what we've done is, this is our race boat. This is the Marina's race boat. It's a Sigma 33, and we're going to be racing this through the winter every fortnight. The first race was last weekend. It's a big event. It's hosted by the Marina and Tees and Hartlepool Yacht Club. 20 boats will be racing in Tees Bay from about 11 o'clock fortnightly on Sunday. And we hope to win everything with this. We've spent months getting it ready, and we're still getting it ready, but we're looking forward to it.
Best of luck.
Thank you.